Hey guys, this is Ryan here with another tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about how to get past the iMessage activation error that says an error occurred during activation. And normally what that's going to look like is when you have your iMessage on the very top here turned on, it will say iMessage activation pending or iMessage activation awaiting. And I'm going to walk you through some steps of ways to make sure that we are actually connecting the fastest that you can with your iMessage. So on your iPhone, you're going to want to go back to your settings and you want to double check that you are connected, one, not just to Wi-Fi, but that your cellular data is on and it's working. And the reason you want to do that is iMessage, depending on who your carrier is going to need both your Wi-Fi and your cellular data to be on to get activated. Specifically, you will need SMS messaging to activate your phone number. So if you go to cellular, on cellular data, all right, let's see. All of that looks good. You can type in SMS. Okay, great. All right, so now what you're going to want to do is, before you move on to the next step, we're going to want to check our date and time. So we're going to go and search on our settings, date and time under general. And it's going to double check that we're in the right time zone and that it's set automatically to the right place. And it looks like we are. And what will happen is sometimes if you're set in the wrong place, iPhone will have a hard time activating, or iMessage will not activate because it thinks you are not a valid user. All right, so now what you're going to do is the basic turn on and off method. So if that's still not working, what you're going to want to do is go to your iMessage, turn off your iMessage, restart your phone, and turn it back on. All right, so let's pretend we did that there. And once we are kind of back at the start, if it's still not activating and looking like mine looks like, what you're going to want to do is go to settings, kind of go back to our main settings page, scroll down to general, click on general, and then make sure that you have the latest software update. So let's see. And it looks like it's actually, let's see, updating right now. So it's a good thing it's got auto updating on. So what will happen is, since I'm updating the new update, basically what this means is once this updates, my phone will need to restart and then my iMessage will need to verify. So this is a common problem, is your either automatic updates are off or turned off. And so your phone's not updated, it's not able to activate. Once again, this has been how to get over the iMessage activation error. The error has occurred during activation on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.